Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I am Valerie. If you guys don't know by now, this is my husband, Brandon.
What's going on everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you guys don't know, I'm Brandon. I work a lot on the back end of everything, so all the thumbnails that you see, you do all the editing, most of the editing. But hearing her voice, editing all the audio, any of that stuff that you see,
a lot of SEO.
Yep, a lot of the SEO with YouTube, titles, descriptions, all that good stuff.
So
most of that is me.
Is him. As always, don't forget to hit that like button. Give us a big thumbs up for this video. Don't forget to comment. We always love hearing from you guys. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to stay tuned all the way to the end of this video because we may have some bloopers.
We will have.
Yeah, there's some bloopers you guys might want to stay tuned for. So this video is just a huge kind of year in review. We just want to say thank you so much to our viewers and subscribers. All of the views that we've gotten this year, we just want to kind of go through all of that. We hit a huge milestone this year. We started out with what, like 400 subscribers at the beginning of the year.
Something.
I just wanted to throw some videos up at the beginning of the year. I wrote down some goals in a planner, which one of them was to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And with all of your guys' help and views, we are now at 20,000 subscribers. So a huge thank you to you guys for all of your comments and views and shares and every way that you guys have helped us. We have a lot of family and friends who watch, and all of you guys who are now our friends. We just thank you guys so much for all of the support over this past year.
So at the beginning of the year, like she said, she started really getting consistent with YouTube, and we hit some really big milestones with some of our videos. We had a video that just recently hit over 1 million views, and I think you recorded and posted that one in February. So that was huge. That was kind of the video that started everything. It got us our first 1,000 subscribers. It got us our first 4,000 watch hours, which happened all within a month from that one video. From there, you did your floor pops video. We did you did a floor pops video, and that one got, I think it's at over 100,000 subscribers. You've done a living room makeover that's over 100,000 views. Not subscribers, I mean views. Yeah, so.
And there was a lot of other favorites in between too.
A lot of your shop with me videos.
Shop with me's, the pot video, the black found looking pot. That one was a big favorite for our channel as well. So I would just say, if you guys are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, if you have something that you're passionate about, I always just want to encourage you guys to just get your content up, find something that you're passionate about, and just go for it. Keep uploading and keep trying, and you just never know. We never expected this channel to take off, and it has, and we're just so thankful that it has. But I would just really encourage you guys to just keep uploading, don't give up, and just go for it.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest things is to be consistent. She's really consistent. So if you just keep uploading week after week, keep uploading. You know, there will be weeks that you miss, but the YouTube algorithm is looking for that consistency, along with knowing just the basics of, you know, being really relatable to people, you know, having good, decent thumbnails and titles, and just drawing in that audience that you want to attract. But the biggest thing is just continually be consistent.
So with DIY, things don't always come easy. A lot of my fellow DIYers would know things don't always pan out or turn out like you expect them to. We do have a lot of fails, and with also a family of 4 and 2 kids, little kids running around, it's not always the easiest to film. We've got kids busting in all the time, and
we're lucky because right now they're in the other room just watching TV.
Yeah.
For now, so we gotta hurry.
So things don't always come easy. So we put a little blooper reel together, and we're gonna keep a little bit better track of our bloopers for next year. Hopefully this will become like a year-end tradition thing where we will do a big blooper reel each year. I think they're so funny. I love a good blooper reel. We just want to wish you guys a blessed 2021. We wish you guys a very happy, healthy, and prosperous year for everybody. We have a ton of new content coming out for January and the rest of the year. So we hope you guys will stick around. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all of your views, all of your comments. And thank you guys so much again.
All right, guys, stick around. Here comes all the bloopers right now. And if you want to see more of me in some of these videos, let us know in the comments.
Bye, guys.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah. Oh, no, wait.
I charged it this morning. Oh, I forgot to wash these walls.
Well, I don't do this. Do it here.
Picture, Mom.
Go.
Okay, let me do it again.
Clap 3 times. No, ow, ow. No, this way. No.
Fucking everything up, but we just want to wish you guys a very blessed blessed.
Just redo it.
That 2020 was just as hot. That's not good.
No, there's something else.
Blessed or blessed?
Whatever, it's the same thing.
Okay, bye guys.
Oh no.